Here we are doing the entire front porch. The paint's being scraped, soon to be primered and then painted. And nice attention to detail. Now, like I was saying, this is a primer coat, see? And we're putting this on here. We're covering up this wood that we scraped off. As that primer coat goes on, it etches the wood. And what it does is it helps your top coat of paint adhere to this and also seals up the bare wood. Don't have to worry about me. Don't worry about the cameraman. So how's your first day of painting coming? You do that forever?
Oh yeah.
You love that job?
Oh hell yeah.
Huh?
I love this job with a passion.
Really?
Hell yeah.
Well, let me show you how to hold a paintbrush. This paintbrush, you hold this just like a pencil. Look at my hand. You see I'm holding this? Hold it just like this. This is how you hold a paintbrush, like this. And you see that's in my hand here? Yeah. You hold it like you're holding a pencil almost, like this. Because that's why it has a handle. You don't want to hold it down here. And you also want to show that when you're dipping this paintbrush in the paint, you only want to dip it to like leave a half an inch or so up the top here. You know, where you're not dipping it. You see how you got it all the way dipped in there? You want to keep it back a little bit. Don't go all the way in. And you just dip in the brush a little bit like this, tap it on the side. Just like, see how I'm holding it like a pencil? Just like, look how much I'm going in, like that much, see? Tap it on the side.
Yeah, you're getting a lot more.
All right? So you gotta try to keep the brush from not getting, you don't want to get paint up on that silver part up there. On the silver part on the brush.
Okay, yeah.
See what I mean? This is what you do to maintain the brush forever. Clean it out with a wire brush, paint thinner, and then wash it with soap and water. Looks nice, doesn't it? This is looking just beautiful. Touching every part of it.
Nice to look when these are painted. I mean, we could put a coat on everywhere we're not walking.
Things look real nice when you spend a lot of time on details. Really making it look nice. We clipped all these hedges. Cleaned them up. They hadn't been clipped and trimmed for 8 or 10 years. All the shrubs are trimmed down nice and neat. Everything's nice and neat all the way around. So what did you learn today?
Keep it moving. Pick up after yourself.
Keeping it real.
And what did you learn today? Seriously.
How to paint, how to scrape,
paint.
and
Hold
clean
up a
brushes right.
Clean brushes.
And know how to get the job done.
Good job.